Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. To close the program from the task manager, you'll have to go down and you'll have to right click on your Windows logo and then you'll have to select task manager. As you can see, the task manager has opened in front of you. So now you can see your active tasks over here, and you can just right click on the task which you want to close and then click on end task. So I'll just close the task manager by clicking on end task, and boom, as you can see I closed it. So this is how you can close a task from the task manager. For more similar videos you can subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.